Owusu Bempah. Enka NPP for assembly. Wo nye NPP ni.
Mama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo friend me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo woman ya okase oye NPP ni na odenkrawe Emma Reverend Owusu Bempah. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah. Ye name say Reverend oye NPP ni. I never 1 or 2 binti or say His Excellency Nana Dankwa the former president. Abrano NPP wa Bemen. When ya case be NPP for and supporting. Into on a day or train who fi NPP who support NDC and ye need me say MECC. Na and the Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah a general sorry them as NPP Hong Kong a year 2028 about a babato. Nipa SSO winning now or contest in a Ghana for to Abamano as president. Na in some way ekoso and a Ghana for a man warning we NPP for more say only nano free NPP for asemo. Na woman ni okase or the warning akwama NPP for penifo our more HSS or money. No more for Reverend Owusu Bempah ebeba tomo ho dia demonstration the basic party ni munyaminoni. Yenti ensema woman e de etuya.
Owusu Bempah. Enka NPP for assembly. Wo nye NPP ni. Wo say NPP ma power na NPP beba power na che. Afa ade nti na obehye nkom afa NPP ho. Owusu Bempah ye pa acho NPP no enye wo dia. Wo predict wo niam na wadane wo ho aye ho dua broni. Wo se ha goye pe na krom no wa behye ha. NPP for yanji wo ewo musi ye de dom na ye party na so wo Owusu Bempah pa de ye nyo because time ane mu aye den ama NPP no uyi NPP for maye uyi ananado maye because wo se wo de wo mpe NPP biem na wo de wo nkodi NPP achi na wo kodi Mahama chi ena wo koye campaign ma no ena wo ba hu se Mahama ba ye wa ye nofo ne man koyie beginning po hwede ne man ye ase wo Ghana ne man ye tantantan basa no wo ada ne hu dua broni ba ba hye nkom biem ama NPP for me ka bibia se NPP for penny for se mu gina ho mo Owusu Bempah esa ba NPP mu a ene party no penny for no ye be kan ye ho aboma ba headquarters na mo abe hye ye bi Owusu Bempah de ye mpeno se mu ye din a ene oyi ye ma ye mu ye din ma NPP Owusu Bempah yi ama wa hwese free education ya ye bo hu da wura na ebo Ghana Owusu Bempah be ka se nye kufu ado botom sika enti free education na nye hwe ene de wa pabiem ba be hye nkoma ma NPP mesi Owusu Bempah o predate no ye furu no fatena ba bia adete na ye mpem kwase asem unyo osofo a wo hye nkoma ebam ye mpem kwase asem Owusu Bempah efa wasem ene wa NPP for supporters akoma medi agro efa ye koma medi agro biem.
Ken forgives.
No, he's forgiving who? He should forgive himself because the afternoon the pronouncements are especially the supporters who come as the meme cosimenza munya granka pre radio kamamu frame view nanka uja obo support Ken kwa nemra because omo penokre omo jese Ken kanokre no kre bi na make kire no but I say Ken so we be offended no now oti my how say be offended Ken da. He has been offending everybody, including the sitting president and the vice president. He's the first person to have stood outside. Minti bi da so be a wopes wo di o mampanyi eja bontese mi donyame. Sakasa no ye mate for na kokosa mi donyame no. I mean who does that? Street yeah. Mi donyame mema mo show down.
More for the gangster.
The best. No. And wo kikan ya hwe Ken so benefits so yero sempia ye boom entoko okoji kun ya oni anas benya problem no na nya ntoko o anas investigation kan ni mu da kwasi nya ntachi za number 12 as then e ba ya or implicated kwasi nya and the two no because na no yonko ni kwasi nya ntachi so be different kwasi nya ntachi at all cost against anas na some ba ya ye di na tema ye di ama shole iwo kura kwasi nya no ko ate kwasi nya ntachi o mai mu what is about wakrada a day Ken say MPP are offending her, and I know we are offending all the check. We are offending coming. I does my radio article be say MPP a move be a he was offended. Obi anya no sister opa omo body. Obi anya no ba me metima tena bo be nipa be 100 that Ken I offend you omo needlessly. Unprovoked.
There are instances I know can Japan indicate say MPs be a betray no only me fan.
That is between
somewhere
party.
Yes, somewhere February 2024 Ghana Web reports that NPP NPP primaries I can't forgive MPs I supported who betrayed me.
He said MPs. He didn't say MPP.
So MPs that I supported, I am
defending MPP right here, non-MPs. Oh, any power no offending offended. That one is there. But say party no. If you are not I just have some who knows on the can say party no. I defame no. What? Defame? You took a whole position, a ministerial position for 1 year for ransom. Not your brutally. Your now. And the party kept faith with you, kept the post until you came as an more Jeffrey with them. And you one post to Minister Pahua. She was also a ranking in Parliament. They kept all of that for you, young girl. Adjusafo. And they say, "Oh, Papa, Aji, Abuba, Dominico Benyantino, you not a mumuda." So what you know, Papa Niwa, Dominico Benyano, and people anywhere about who you are not said. Fine. Even a Shanty region crime people trying to put my crown. They lost 7 seats. The party hasn't collapsed. I just have found them party now offending into the man of Quanonco radio tour. And then go for bombs and mano. And also now have a vision and say, oh, we are why Bonibia. Miss MPP near Can Japan Bonibia or power minimum homeless to do a debate from back to back.
Now wait, I don't pay there. Wait a minute,
Mammiaza.
No, or can
Mammiaza, or the Mammiaza, we are one class. Me ready from PFM our PFM TV online and I me go ready here and correct comments she'll be shocked. They can't be kind because Kumasi for pan them is everybody told him say she should shut up. On Kananuntum people are even saying I can read some for you right now because it's still there.
This comment from Honorable Ken should have been made before the election.
Thank you. What I say, why you fisa to quite canapa no pay? I'm in what TV so minui papa minui what TV so no any station you jacka on toy time nesem man tokwa to mo ho ato ba bia ni kwaso budin o radio so nyina obo what down was obe president here this o man no arentia dem pa na to Ghana ba umia ho ameto aba maken mento aba makenda se ba umia anyhow. I'm telling you. If it's about 2028, it is not about apologizing and becoming sanctimonious in public and trying to make people feel say you are a changed man. No, a leopard doesn't change his spots. What I say, on train no monko primaries ni view, and all corner Baumia co primaries 100, Baumia 100. He can cry foul, say party no, and I make got forms. What are you talking about? Even in MP's crown, common constituency, come other place MP beat back so about the top forms, since I'll be forms nasa. They don't complain. They don't come on TV and chastise the party. Of course, they complain in their own houses there, but they don't go about and try to bring the party down. Open call for Mama party in Lusu 2024 elections. Can Japan come? Can Japan, Alanche Martin, Ocheche Menzabonsu, to me, Sanko for the Yaka on a party in Lucia, and no more commandant to Moseche Menzabonsu, because say, one of the one come, who could try levy cake, since I won't start cake, you won't be done. It was a very annoying cake. As I buy every day social media.